What's going on, everybody? Nice to have you back again. Today I'm doing another of my What are the top 3 videos. They seem to be popular with my viewers, so I thought I'd do another one. Right, everyone, we're about to embark on an epic adventure to one of the most fascinating and beautiful countries I've ever had the pleasure of exploring. Mongolia. Get ready to dive into a world of vast steppes, nomadic culture, and breathtaking landscapes. We're talking about a country where Genghis Khan once roamed, where wild horses still gallop free, and where the hospitality of the people is as boundless as the sky itself. I'm so stoked to share this journey with you guys. So buckle up, get ready for an unforgettable experience, and let's dive right in. Alright guys, first up on our Mongolian adventure, we're kicking things off in Ulaanbaatar, the nation's vibrant capital city. Now, I know what you might be thinking, a capital city? But trust me on this one, Ulaanbaatar is like no other capital I've ever experienced. As soon as you arrive, you're struck by this incredible contrast between modern skyscrapers and traditional Buddhist monasteries, all set against a backdrop of rolling hills. It's a city where ancient history and modern life collide in the most captivating way possible. One of the first places you have to check out is the Gandan Monastery. This place is absolutely stunning, with its intricate architecture, colorful prayer flags, and a massive 26-meter-tall golden statue of Migjid Junrizag Buddha. It's one of the most important religious sites in all of Mongolia, and the peaceful atmosphere is truly something special. Next up, you gotta immerse yourself in Mongolian history at the National Museum of Mongolia. This place is packed with artifacts and exhibits that tell the story of Mongolia's rich cultural heritage, from the days of the nomadic empires to the present day. Trust me, you could easily spend hours here getting lost in time. But Ulaanbaatar isn't just about temples and museums, it's also a city with a surprisingly modern edge. You'll find trendy cafes, international restaurants, and bustling markets where you can soak up the local vibes. And speaking of local vibes, you can't leave Ulaanbaatar without experiencing the energy of a traditional Mongolian performance. We're talking throat singing, contortionists, and incredible displays of musicianship that'll leave you absolutely speechless. Ulaanbaatar is a city that will surprise you in the best way possible. It's a place where you can wander through ancient temples, explore modern art galleries, and connect with the incredibly welcoming locals. Next up on our Mongolian adventure, we're leaving the city behind and venturing into the vast expanse of the Gobi Desert, a place that feels like you've stepped onto another planet. Now, when I say vast, I mean it. The Gobi Desert is the 5th largest desert in the world, covering a significant chunk of southern Mongolia. You'll find yourself surrounded by towering sand dunes, rocky outcrops, and endless stretches of open sky. One of the coolest things about the Gobi is that it's home to some of the most unique and fascinating wildlife on the planet. Keep your eyes peeled for Bactrian camels, these incredible creatures with 2 humps that have adapted to survive in this harsh environment. And speaking of adapting, you'll have the chance to meet the nomadic herders who have called the Gobi home for centuries. These guys are the real deal, living in gers, raising livestock, and maintaining their traditional way of life in one of the most challenging environments on Earth. A must-do experience in the Gobi is to spend a night in a traditional ger camp. These camps offer a glimpse into the nomadic lifestyle, and you'll be blown away by the hospitality of the people. Imagine sipping on some salty milk tea, sharing stories under the stars, and waking up to the sound of silence in the middle of the desert. And of course, no trip to the Gobi would be complete without witnessing the magic of the sand dunes. These towering dunes, sculpted by the wind into incredible shapes and patterns, are like something out of a movie. Alright guys, for our next stop on our Mongolian adventure, we're heading north to the pristine beauty of Khuvsgul Lake, often called the Blue Pearl of Mongolia. And trust me, this place is as magical as it sounds. Imagine this, crystal clear waters reflecting the sky, surrounded by lush green forests and towering mountains. It's the kind of place that makes you want to take a deep breath of fresh air and just soak in the serenity. Khuvsgul Lake is actually one of the largest freshwater lakes in the world by volume, and it's incredibly deep. The water is so clear that you can see straight down to the bottom in some areas, and it's home to a diverse ecosystem of fish and other aquatic life. Now, if you're an outdoor enthusiast, Khuvsgul Lake is an absolute paradise. You can go hiking in the surrounding mountains, kayaking or boating on the lake, or even go horseback riding through the forests. One of the coolest things to do in Khuvsgul is to visit one of the local Tsartan families. These reindeer herders live a semi-nomadic lifestyle in the forests around the lake, and they're known for their incredible hospitality. Imagine learning about their culture, trying some traditional reindeer milk tea, and maybe even getting to meet some of their reindeer. It's a truly humbling and unforgettable experience. As the sun begins to set, find a peaceful spot along the shore of Khuvsgul Lake and just take a moment to appreciate the beauty of this special place. Oh yes, I just remembered. I have included some great travel-related links in the description below. You can find everything from resort and hotel booking to car hire and travel insurance, plus many more travel deals. I hope you find them useful and hopefully make some savings on your next trip. And there you have it, my friends. 3 incredible destinations that showcase the beauty and wonder of Mongolia. From the bustling streets of Ulaanbaatar to the surreal landscapes of the Gobi Desert and the tranquility of Khuvsgul Lake, Mongolia is a country that will stay with you long after you've left. I hope this video has inspired you to add Mongolia to your travel list. If you're looking for an adventure that's off the beaten path, culturally immersive and visually stunning, then Mongolia is calling your name. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures, and let me know in the comments below which of these destinations you're most excited to visit. Until next time, keep exploring.